Let's start by adding a circle with 12 vertices. Press Tab for edit mode, then press numpad 7 for top view. Scale a little. Shift D to duplicate the circle, then move it to the right. Scale this one bigger. Now let's move the smaller circle up. Select the 2 vertices and press F to fill. Do the same for bottom 2 vertices. Let's subdivide for 3 more vertices. Delete the 4 vertices in the middle. Let's move these vertices and snap for a straight line, then subdivide for evenness. Move the vertices to the desired shape. Go into Object Mode, press Ctrl 1 to add a subdivision modifier. Press Ctrl A to apply the modifier, go into Edit Mode. Select all, press F to fill. Let's extrude this up. Then extrude one more time. Press 3 for face select, Alt-click to select the loop. Then press Alt-E to extrude faces along normals. Shade Smooth and enable Auto Smooth in Object Mode. Go into Edit Mode again, Shift D to duplicate the face, press P to separate. Let's extrude the duplicated object. Extrude once more. Alt-E to extrude faces along normals again. Let me undo and extrude smaller amount. Holding Shift will extrude in smaller increments. In Object Mode, add an array modifier. Change X offset to 0 and Z offset to 1. I'm gonna go for 16 count. For the roof, select the edge loop, duplicate and separate selection. Then remove array modifier. Snap to the top face. Go into Edit Mode, Extrude, Inset. Then extrude again. See how easy that was? We're done already. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you enjoyed this video.